it really boosted my confidence. I look much younger. I should have done it earlier. I was just worried about the procedure and everything, but it was just easy. I should have done it earlier. That's all I just say. So basically I started losing my hair around 4 years ago, and it sort of happened really fast, and I started losing a bit of confidence, and I just knew I had to get my hair done and I have to go for a hair transplant. So before my transplant, I did quite a research, and I was quite convinced with the reputation of River Clinic. And Dr. Khan himself, he was quite renowned because he did quite a few celebrities as well. And then after meeting him few times, I was quite assured that he is the right surgeon for me. The team made me very comfortable, and the whole procedure, it was very painless. And I was there for around 4 to 6 hours, but it flew by so quick, and I didn't mind it because of the level of the care and the surgeon's attention to the detail. After the procedure, I was given all the medications and all the products that I needed. My surgeon even phoned me a few times to check up on me, and that's what really made all the difference. So I started seeing some difference in first 2 months, and then after 6 months I had a full set of hair. I am very happy. It really boosted my confidence. I look much younger. I should have done it earlier. I was just worried about the procedure and everything, but it was just easy. I should have done it earlier. That's all I just say. Yeah, if you look at this area, I didn't even realize it was this way. You can't, because normally you can't see what's at the top of your head. So I've just looked at this picture. I can't believe that was me. The hair has gone back, and the temples, they are full. I think that's what making my forehead looks a bit smaller, because of these temples. You can see first it was like that big, yeah. It starts from there, it goes up till here, and now I've got hair on the side of the temples, and the tuft, it's full. So full set of hair. Nice.